It's coming. It's the end of Dora. What? What? Where'd Dora go? Huh? Doodle. I think we need to get you away from the TV. Would you like to go out shop? Huh? Where'd Dora go? Yeah? Where'd she go? Where's Boots? Where'd they go? I don't know. Boots? Hey, ya Boots. But yeah, where'd Boots go? Where'd Dora go? Mm-hmm. Where'd the map go? Where's the backpack? Where's Swiper? Swiper? No, swiping. That's right. Okay, we'll get more Dora, but then we're going to actually get out of the house and do something. Okay? That'll be fun. Can you say I love you? Oh, I love you too, baby.